People gather with hopeful hearts, trying to build where guidance starts. But without strength to lead the way, the vision fades, begins to stray. A quiet voice still seeks its form, unsure how to rise and weather storms. Unity slips through open hands when purpose isn't clear or planned. You can't lead the circle without a fire inside. Clarity is needed before you stand beside those who look for guidance, those who want to grow. Strength must rise within you so the path can show. Unity falters when direction isn't found, but wisdom grows quietly deep underground. Take a moment, breathe and see the leader you are meant to be. Inner strength must take its place before you try to guide the space. When your center finds its ground, true connection gathers round. Only then can unity thrive, when purpose wakes and comes alive. You can lead the